Hi there, do you have a light like this on your 2007 Toyota Avalon? The maintenance required light comes on every 5,000 miles to remind you to change your oil or do any other 3,000 to 5,000 mile maintenance that you need to do. Do you want to learn how to turn it off? Have you changed your own oil and need to turn it off? Let's get right into it. All right, so you notice your key has several slots that it can go into. You put it in and you go into lock, ACC, which is accessory, own, or start. So the first thing you need to do is put your key in and leave it either in the lock or ACC position. All right. Okay, the next thing you do is put your finger on your trip reset button right here. Where my finger is, you're going to push it down. At the same time, you're going to turn your key over to the on position and hold that down until the maintenance required light goes off. See how it went off? All right. And that's it. Magic. It's all done.